I can't be the only one who's seeing this monkey everywhere. This little guy is Punch the Monkey, and he went viral last week for carrying around a stuffed animal monkey after his mom abandoned him, and all the other monkeys were picking on him. It's okay if you cried, I won't judge. I might have cried a little bit too. So when I saw this 3D model of him, I knew I had to print it. The other monkeys can't pick on this version of Punch the Monkey. It's a happy ending though. Apparently he was adopted by another monkey, and I'm happy too with the way this print turned out.